Welcome back to AM Auto Pickup channel. Today we are diving into the stunning 2026 Volvo S90, a luxury sedan that continues to define Scandinavian elegance and innovation. The Volvo S90 has gained popularity across Europe, North America, and China, with China being the largest market for this premium sedan, followed closely by the United States and several European countries like Germany and Sweden. This car isn't just a showpiece, it's a powerhouse of performance and technology. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo S90 comes with multiple powertrain options, including a refined 2.0-liter turbocharged and supercharged engine combined with a mild hybrid system for smoother acceleration and better efficiency. For those seeking green technology, there's also a plug-in hybrid T8 variant, delivering impressive power of over 455 horsepower with all-wheel drive capability. Acceleration is swift, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.8 seconds for the hybrid version, making it both sporty and sophisticated. Fuel efficiency is where Volvo shines, as the plug-in hybrid offers an electric-only range of up to 50 miles, perfect for city commutes without burning fuel. Combined fuel economy hovers around 30 to 35 miles per gallon for hybrid models, while pure combustion engines provide about 28 miles per gallon combined, making it an eco-conscious choice in the luxury sedan category. Volvo's commitment to sustainability continues with extensive use of recycled materials and a push toward a fully electric lineup in the coming years. In terms of capabilities, the S90 is designed for long-distance comfort and advanced safety. It features adaptive air suspension, dynamic driving modes, and an advanced all-wheel drive system that handles different terrains with ease. Whether cruising on highways or maneuvering through city streets, the drive feels balanced, quiet, and luxurious. Safety remains Volvo's crown jewel, with the latest pilot assist semi-autonomous driving system, collision avoidance, and an advanced suite of sensors for lane keeping and adaptive cruise control. Inside, the 2026 S90 is pure Scandinavian luxury. The cabin boasts premium Nappa leather, genuine wood trims, and a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen powered by Google's Android Automotive OS with built-in Google Maps and Assistant. Key features include a 19-speaker Bowers & Wilkins audio system, a 360-degree camera, ventilated and massaging seats, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting elevate the interior ambience, making every drive a first-class experience. As for pricing, the 2026 Volvo S90 starts at around $60,000 for the base model and can go up to $80,000 or more for the plug-in hybrid Inscription trim loaded with options. Its main selling points are elegant design, advanced safety technology, luxurious comfort, and eco-friendly hybrid performance, making it a top choice for executives and families who want style without compromising sustainability. That's all for today's review.